Hey guys, we are doing excavation of the fence in order to go on with our perimeter fencing. You can see all hands on deck. Those guys have really did a very good, wonderful job. Excavation of the foundation. We have marked out in the morning. We plowed the lines. What we are doing now is excavation. So once we are done with this excavation, we'll be able to lay our blocks. No, I told the guy he must expand it more.
Nda na arụ ụzọ anụ ate kita mmiri azụ.
Ajụ izizi ka ị na-agba mmiri.
Mana nna agwụ ya kita na. Nna atụpụda aja.
Ya na agwụ.
This is the main entrance to the land.
Yeah, the strong.
That's where they now become that.
That's
Become that.
why I live on the one.
Yeah, live on.
Tomorrow, tell me one guy. Tomorrow, that's why I live on.
Yeah, live on. Look, they did a wonderful job here. That's what we have done.
Bona aflo that's bona why would the only son.
Hey guys, welcome to the site. We are documenting the whole process. We are documenting the whole journey. You can see the erection of the fence, of the perimeter fence is going on. The erection of the perimeter fence is going on. This is the pillar design. This is the pillar design. Yes, we have a pillar design for the front. There's a pillar design.
They turn the thing to baby. Now the language will tell that Papa. They tell us thank you. They come tell us you need to do.
That's in there, worry me. You can't tell me thank you.
All the dollar will get. You don't carry the main thing. Waka. The remaining one we na dey do na. That one na.
This is the entrance to the land. This is the entrance. This is the portion where we are going to pick the gates.
Hey, it's nice. And the man was you.
Excellent.
Okay, ebe a na-aka adị nso.
It's about less than 10 minutes before Uncle. From here to Ekulab is less than 10 minutes drive. It's about 5 minutes drive from here now to Ekulab. Instead of going from yeah, the work is going on. Hey guys, we are chaining the fence. The iron bender is trying to fit in the rod. These ones have been done already. This is what we call chaining of fence. This is called chaining of fence in triangular form. This is triangular chaining of fence. You can see it. This one that looks like triangle is called, this is called rings. Yes. Trying to join the channel. We are chaining the fence. See here. Chaining of fence. This is chaining of fence. You are taking it so far now. Why not join it from here? No, you're wasting the material now.
As in, I want to first of all pass it the other side.
Okay, want to pass it to the, okay, better. I thought you want to, no, okay. So what we are doing so far, we have done 5 coaches of block before the chaining. Thereafter, carpenter will come in to use the plank to form the basement for the casting. So you can count the coast. The coast is, how many is outside here? 1, 2, about 4 is outside, plus 1 inside, making it 5. So if you have 5 coasts before the chaining, 5 coasts before chaining, 5 coasts before chaining, 5 coasts before chaining, and it's one way. There's no flat block. Why we did one way is because we did blinding of the surface of the foundation. We blinded the foundation first. That's to enable us to do a one-way block. If we did not do blinding of the surface, then we are going to flat about 2 before we'll be able to erect straight blocks. So that's what we are doing. 5 coasts before the chaining. 5 coasts before chaining. 5 coasts before chaining. You don't want to cut the wire, cut the... Yes, now, the number, the quantity that came in here is too much. You'll be able to save costs for us. Look at where we stopped now. Whatever. So you'll be, I think, whatever you join from here again.
No, it's too short. And then when I join, at least from here now.
So you're going to drag this one back.
Mm.
Uh-huh.